Hello children, we will continue with lines and angle and few more questions we are going to do today. Please follow it carefully. In each of the following case, the three cases given to you, AB is parallel to CD. Then find the value of X. So let us observe this figure. In order to find the value of X, I must do some construction. Draw I am taking this line. All right. Now I will extend this. Right. Now I will say draw line. I will call AB. I will call this as CEF. Draw line CEF parallel to right. Now here AB is parallel to CD, no? This is a given question, AB, and this is CD. So let me say draw FEH, draw line FEH parallel to AB, and that is parallel to what in turn? CD. Now once you draw this parallel, let me call this as angle 1, let me call this as 2. In order to find X, I have to find 1 and 2, right? Now I will say clearly angle 1 is equal to 104 degrees. Why? These two are alternate angles. Alternate angles, alright. And similarly, what is angle 2? Angle 2 is equal to 116. The reason? Alternate angles. Now, what is X? X is the reflex of 1 plus 2. Now I will say, we know that X degrees plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 360 degrees. So X degrees plus 1 is 104 plus 2 is 116 is equal to 360 degrees. So X degrees is equal to 360 minus 104 minus 116. So X degrees is equal to 360 minus 220, which comes to 140. So therefore X is equal to 140. Right? I am sure you are clear with this. In the next case also, AB is parallel to CD. Let me draw a line passing through E, and let me call this as HEF, right? Draw HEF parallel to AB, which is in turn parallel to CD. Now once you draw HEF parallel to A and B, you know that this angle I am calling as 1 and this is 2. Angle 1 is equal to 35 degrees. Why? You can see this is a transversal and they are alternate angles. And angle 2 is equal to 65 degrees. 65 degrees. Reason? Alternate angles. We have to find X. We know that X is nothing but equal to 1 plus 2. So it is 35 plus 65. And 35 plus 65 is equal to 100. So X is equal to what? 100 degrees. I am sure you are able to follow. Now, one more figure we will take. Here also, I will try to draw a line parallel to AB and CD. Let me call this as P, and this is Q, and this is R, right? Draw PQR parallel to AB or in turn parallel to CD, DC, all right. Now, what is happening here? I will break this angle into, call this part, this angle as 1, call this as 2. Alright. Now, what is this angle? This angle, I will say this as 1 and I will say this as 2. Alright. Now, angle 1 is equal to 35. Once again, they are alternate angles. Angle 2 is equal to how much? 75 degrees. They are alternate angles. Now, what is angle X plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 360. So, X plus 75 plus 35 is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 110. So what is X is equal to? 150. So that is how you will find. I am sure you have understood the concept of alternate angles and corresponding angles. With this we will try to close this type of problems, and meanwhile you pause the video, we will go for the next variety of questions wherein which we will try to prove sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So you can pause the video and copy down, we will move for the next problem. Yes children, I am sure you have paused and copy. Make sure that this is 250, not 150. Alright, so make that correction when you copy. And now we will go to the next question. The question is, prove that sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to how much? Supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degrees. Now that we are going to prove now. How? I will say, given ABC is a triangle. Let me draw the triangle for you. This is my triangle ABC. Alright. Now what I am going to do is I will say, draw a line parallel to BC. Draw a line, I will call that as line L through BC, parallel to BC through A. So this is my line L. Let me call that as PQ. Alright, right? Let L is equal to what? Line PQ. Now this is parallel to BC. Now when it is parallel to BC, this angle is equal to this angle. Alright. Now what is this angle? I will call this as 1. I will call this as 2. Right? And I will call this as 3. Alright. Now we know that 1 is equal to what is this angle? Angle B. 2 is equal to what is this angle? Angle C. And what is 3 is equal to angle A. 3 is equal to angle A, that we are assuming. Alright, now these two are equal. These two are equal, and I am assuming 3 as angle A. Now, why these two are equal? Because it is alternate angles. Why 2 is equal to C? That is alternate angles. And what is 3 is equal to A? That is an assumed angle. Alright. Now we know that angle on a line, that is sum of angles on a line, is equal to 180 degrees. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degrees. What is angle 1? Angle B. What is 2? Angle C. Plus what is 3? Angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Hence, I can say sum of the angles. What are A, B and C? Sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So I am sure this is very, very simple, but you must know how to prove it. That's why we have done. Meanwhile, you can copy and pause the video. We'll go for next simple question. Alright. Next question, children. Prove that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Simple statement, but very used frequently in other problems. Alright. Now, given ABC is a triangle. Now, what is it I have to prove? See here. ABC is a triangle, and this is A, this is B, this is C. Right? Alright. Now, what is it I have to prove? I have to prove that this angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. This is angle 1, this is 2, 3. What is RTP? What is RTP? Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Is it not? This is what we have to prove. Now how you are going to prove is what is the question here. In order to prove this, what am I going to do is I am going to draw a line parallel to BC. Or I will say, what is this angle? I will say we know that angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to how much? Just now we have proved sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now what is this angle ABC? Angle ABC is angle 2. What is angle BAC? Angle BAC is angle 1. Plus what is ACB? ACB can be written as 180 degrees, this angle on a line is 180 degrees. So this angle is equal to 180 minus angle 3 is equal to what? 180. So next step, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, everything will go that side. It is 180 minus, this 180 will become minus 180, and minus angle 3 will become plus angle 3. Now plus 180 plus 180 cancel. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Now please look at where they are. Angle 1 is here, angle 2 is here, angle 3 is here. So exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Is it not a very, very simple way of proving? Right? Indeed, it is very simple and very effective. We'll be using these more frequently in the coming problems. Alright. So meanwhile, copy this and do this repeatedly again and again so that you will develop the concept. Alright. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.